Alright, we're here with the Alcourt Super Sailfish Zha-Zha, laying down some of the tape for the graphics. Wanted about a 1-inch wide strip, about dagger board size, 3/4 inch plus the tolerance either side. Gonna have a stripe right down the middle of the boat, so to do that we took the tape measure and just ran it down right through the opening there. Marked a few pencil lines and then laid the center stripe of 1-inch tape. Then laid the piece on either side. Now I'm just going to come down and pull that, and that'll leave us with the 1-inch stripe down the middle. Now we'll get to working on some of the other curves and arcs that are going to be on it.